it's easy to forget how much work goes into the little machines that power our world. But behind every compact, powerful mini PC is a story of precision, engineering, and obsession with perfection. Belink, founded in 2011, has quietly become one of the leaders in this space, crafting mini PCs that fuel offices, gaming setups, and cloud servers across the globe. And today, we're taking you behind the scenes to see how these tiny giants are made. It all begins in the stamping workshop, where raw aluminum sheets are transformed into sleek, durable shells. Each metal blank is lubricated, loaded into a massive press, and shaped under extreme force. Secondary stamping perfects the form, ensuring no rough edges or imperfections. Then comes the milling workshop. Precision machines trim, polish, and grind every surface with micrometer accuracy. Coolant flows constantly to prevent overheating, while a protective film is applied afterward. Every edge is refined, every corner smooth. Parts are then mounted on racks and sent through a high-temperature cleaning process. They're washed, dried in industrial ovens, sandblasted for that premium texture, anodized for color and durability, and finally laser engraved with the Belink logo. Once the outer body is ready, the internal magic begins. On the SMT assembly line, robots apply solder paste, place microchips at lightning speed, and heat them in reflow ovens to create the motherboard. Then comes the DIP stage, where human hands take over. Technicians install ports, connectors, and components with care before wave soldering locks. Everything in place. After cooling, they inspect every pin, attach CMOs, batteries, and repair any solder imperfections. Every RAM slot, SSD bay, and Wi-Fi port is labeled and tested. The MAC address is programmed, and each interface, USB, HDMI, power, audio, goes through functional testing. Thermal paste is applied to the CPU, UV cured for longevity, and cleaned to perfection. Data from every step is logged into the ME system for full traceability. Final assembly feels almost like surgery. The CPU, heatsink, and cooling system are installed. EMI shielding is applied to block electrical noise, and RAM and SSD modules are carefully slotted in. Adhesive pads, secure capacitors, QR codes are scanned, and the cooling fans are tested for noise and airflow. Every screw is tightened to exact torque specifications. Then comes the burn-in test, a brutal endurance challenge where each mini PC runs under maximum load for hours. It's pushed to its limits to ensure perfect stability. If it fails, it's fixed. If it passes, it's cleaned, scanned, and given its final quality approval. Decorative screw caps are fitted, serial numbers verified, and each unit goes through one last cosmetic inspection before shipping. What started as sheets of cold aluminum is now a compact powerhouse, ready to sit silently on a desk, powering ideas, creations, and innovation. Tiny in size, massive in capability.